All right, good morning. We're back out here at another one of our projects. This is a 100-plus-year-old duplex located in Augusta, Georgia. And we actually own the scary, creepy one next door as well. That's a whole nother video for another day. But today we're just checking on progress. We're gonna come by here and see where we're at. I think we've got a whole bunch of trim installed, a couple questions from the trim carpenter we're gonna go through and take a look at today, see if we can't get this project going. Let's go take a look. All right. We're gonna guess what our lockbox code is because it's been a while since I've been here and our guys change lockbox codes all the time. So let's see, oh yeah, we're in. Let's see what this one looks like here. We're hoping that we can start putting paint on the walls soon. All right, not too bad, watch your step. Hey, we got a light knockdown on the ceiling. The walls look good. I see some trim in. I'm super happy at this point. Let's take a walk through. This is great. We've got a complete laundry room. Coming in hot. We had to tear out this door because we realized we got the laundry room done, but the door wasn't wide enough to get laundry equipment in there. Come on through. Oh yeah, we got nice tile on the wall in there. This little thing's coming along. It's looking good. This baseboard, we could not match the 100-plus-year-old baseboard that was in here. It was like a 1x10, 1x11, and by the time we took it out, all the plaster and everything behind it, it just kept messing up. Instead of coming back and spending a ton of money trying to get the walls perfect and the base to match, we just put a massive piece of what looks like 1x12 around everything. It's huge, but it adds to the craftsman vibe of the house anyway. This is 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a big kitchen downstairs and a 3-bedroom, 1-bath with a big kitchen upstairs. It's kind of like student housing, more than likely. Great neighborhood for student housing. The plan for us was maybe to turn it into an Airbnb because we've got a great location here with hospitals and schools and colleges and military bases all around us. Looks good. Let's go upstairs. Yeah, all right. Nice. 9-foot ceilings, lots of light. I mean, this thing used to have doors in between every room. Got these little fireplaces in every single room. It's cute. It's got a lot of charm, old craftsman-y charm. Oh man, a little bit of a mess in here. What is the plan in here? Woo! Sink, dishwasher, laundry, washer and dryer right there. Built-in stove back here. Let's see. This has all got, all this has got to come out. Stove, microwave, cabinets all around, fireplace in the kitchen, big bathroom here. Oh, that's nice. Look what we got here. Tiled in. All right, so we'll have nice LVT floor in here, vanity right there, toilet. Yeah, 3-1 kitchen and a bathroom, not bad.